Hi, I'm Melissa Sutley from Greenway Products. We're here to talk about Bitu-Ox. Welcome to my warehouse.
What year did you guys begin this?
Back in 2012.
And what made you get into this industry?
We were part of the cleaning industry and the construction industry, and we felt the contractors needed something that would work.
What separates you from other businesses?
Well, we're a woman-owned company. I'm the owner, and all of our products are biodegradable.
And where can I find these products?
You can shop on our website at bitu-ox.com, or you can go right on Amazon and pick them up.
Can you give us some background info on the Bitu-Ox 400?
So Bitu-Ox 400 is an oil-based cleaner. It is a asphalt remover. It liquefies asphalt in seconds. It's used as a lubricant, and also it can be a rust remover and protects from rust. And during this winter months, pre-spray all your snow plows and snow shovels, and the snow won't stick so well.
Can you further explain the Bitu-Ox NT?
So Bitu-Ox Bio NT is a graffiti remover, ink remover, adhesive remover, and degreaser.
All right, thank you, Melissa, for your time. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for coming. Now get out.